Hey, what's going on? Happy Sunday. So I just wanted to share with y'all that I'm going to be taking this channel in a particular direction. Focus is going to be on Jesus, gardening, Goshen, investing, particularly to be helping those of y'all who have felt led or called to prepare for things to come in the future, including financially, and not really sure where to start, what to do, what are the mechanics behind things like having a stock market brokerage account or having a crypto brokerage account, how to be able to buy or sell crypto as the Lord leads, how to invest in gold and silver, ways to invest, how to invest in copper, etc., as well as how to get involved in gardening and growing some of your own food. Now, I will say that gardening and growing your own food is not the easiest thing in the world. You don't need as much land as you think you do unless you're trying to grow a bunch of fruit trees, which is what I have going on here. You can also do things where you have raised beds. For example, right here, back here, got some onions and lettuce growing. This is a mango tree. I've got a bunch of them. They're about to go to flower here soon. But then you've got a raised bed like this one right here. Got 2 peppers, 1, 2, 3, 4 tomatoes, some thyme, some chives tucked in there, etc. You can grow a little bit like that, and I'll show you one more example where it doesn't have a huge footprint. If even if you're renting, you can do something like this, because this would be portable, as well as these options back here. You can see those towers, these different color towers. That you can do even in an apartment, on a patio, whatever the case may be. But if you're renting a house, even something like these raised beds here are wonderful, and they work perfect.